I didn't understand for a long time open source. You're gonna work on this project and then just give it away? I don't understand. Now I get it, because you'll have one piece of an idea, but you don't have time or you don't have the know-how to do all of it. Well, other people do, and they can just work on the little piece that they like. And that's fun. It's this way to create something bigger. That's so exciting. That's a community that I want to be a part of.
The class I'm teaching here that makes the heaviest use of GitHub is the software engineering course. And one of the big topics that we focus on in the class is how you build interesting software as part of a small team.
Our final project for the course is a group project where there's 6 of us per group. Sometimes we'll be working in the same room together. Sometimes we'll be working at the same time but in different locations.
It's just a way to get rid of this geographical coincidence that we don't live in the same place. It's not really important to the work that we're doing, so why should it define the way that we have to work together?
We actually went around and asked Google, Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Microsoft, Twitter, you name it. What are the skills that you're looking for in competitive hires? One of the biggest things they said was learning to work in teams and learning to work with an external customer. We really reinvented the course largely along the lines of what they said, where students are working with a real external customer, typically a nonprofit.
You're working on a group project for a client. And so you're really in a real world situation. It's really different and a unique experience to have that in school.
It's one thing to do well in an interview, and it's a whole different thing to actually have code that works. So that's one thing I appreciate about this class in particular, is that the project that we're working on has to be open source. And so I finally have stuff on my GitHub repo that I've written that people can see.
There's a big difference between reading a textbook and looking at the code versus a bunch of people actually able to learn by doing. I think that's the reason it's a game changer.